Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly. Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be going through my makeup desk and vanity, including my Halifax drawers, which you can get at Amazon. They're from the brand Winsome. They're really nice, 7 drawers. They're a good dupe for the Alex. Now let's get into this video. So this is my vanity top. I'm going to zoom in to show you guys a little bit more in detail. So here I just have my little hand mirror or mini mirror with my tweezers. I have my bobby pins in this little magnetic case like they have for paper clips. I have my Germex. Gotta keep your hands clean. And I have my brushes, eye brushes, face brushes, floofy brushes, powder brushes, everything you could really need for brush wise. I have some brushes with odd handles that you can't really stick into anything. Some double-ended brushes, eyebrow razors, that kind of stuff. In the middle I have some foundation, setting sprays, beauty blenders, some makeup towels, and my shadow switcher. This side's more of my desk area. I have my tape dispenser, my laptop, and my label maker. So on top of my Halifax drawers, I have my various palettes, my Avatar, my Morphe face palette, my Iconic face palette, my Ace Beauty palette, my In the Palm of Your Hand Volume 2, the KVD highlighter palette, and the Real Her Ultimate Glow palette, Chic Trio. I have my Storybook Cosmetics ones, Lowbriar Rose and Robin Hood. Over here I have my Iconic London, my Tartus Pro, Hip Dot palette, Clay Play palette, Scarlet Dusk by Ace Beauty, and Celestial Thunder and Violet Voss Essentials. My drawers are organized and labeled: base products, blush, contour, eyeshadow. But in my base drawer, I have eye primers and small primers, concealers, face primers, powders, BB creams, foundation creams. So I have my main ones I use, which like my my Perlice BB Perfect Glow, my Laura Mercier powder, Smashbox primers, Tarte Shape Tape, and I use the Smashbox Photo Finish eye primer as well. Back here I have a couple of old Clinique redness solutions I'm trying to find dupes for, and a couple of spare products. In my blush and contour, I have my highlighters, my blushes, my liquid highlighters and blushes, more liquids, my bronzer, my Too Faced Bronze in Paradise, and a couple of like those ones you get in like the Walmart gift sets. And I have some extra products right here. My favorites are my Ofra blush, my Ciate London blush. This should go over here. And my favorites are my Nomad highlighter, Ciate highlighter, and my Space Case Cosmetics highlighter, as well as my limited edition Year of the Rat from last year, which is the Diamond Light, or which is the Too Faced Diamond Fire one. And the only real one that I use besides my palette for bronzer is my Hoola from Benefit. I also have some High Beam and the Iconic London drops. The eyeshadow drawer is mainly my singles and my mini palettes. Like I have my single of my favorite Ulta shadow, a couple of MACs, a Nomad sample, Colored Rain, this Ditto one, my Pixie, and I have Bare Minerals, a couple of Ellen Tracy's, and I have my Stilo liquids right here. So a e.l.f. smudge pot one, a couple of smaller palettes that wouldn't really fit up there. I have my Natasha Denona, my Dose of Colors, my Naked 3 mini, my Smashbox palette, my Huda Warm Brown Obsessions, a Shania B, Alexon Beauty, I have Ciate and one of my Ulta palettes, which is why I have that spare Ulta shadow. And that's pretty much it for this drawer. Lashes, liner, and brows is probably my fullest. I have some mascaras, some false lashes, all of my liquid liners, some pencil liners back here. I have my brow products, my brow powders and pomades, some gel liners, and my stuff for my magnetic lashes. But that's pretty much what I have. My favorite one lately has been the Il Makiage, or the Lily Lashes. And my absolute favorite mascara so far is the Gerard Cosmetics. And I normally use the brow gel from Billion Dollar Brows. And I don't really have a favorite pair of lashes right now. My lips drawer is pretty full right now too. I have a lot of liquid lips. As you can tell, I'm a big fan of the pinky nudes and reds. I have some of my lip liners, some lip glosses, lip balms. My lipsticks are over here. A couple of my powdered lip balms. And I have a few of my lipsticks that wouldn't exactly fit in the lipstick holder. And my favorite one right now, I'd say, is the Sophia X Color Pop, which you cannot get right now as far as I'm aware, but I do love it. And my last drawer is just some hairbrushes, combs, hot tools, and some hair sticks. So that's it for Makeup Vanity Tour. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next week.